Hi guys, welcome to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. Today we've been working on this 2012/13 Swift Bolero Motorhome. It's come into us with this. The customer had already, or the owner had already removed the existing rear view camera, which was a dual lens, one facing down and one facing backwards because the camera had failed, and asked us to get a replacement camera in and working. So what we have done is we have replaced the old one with a dual white motorhome lens, again one facing down, one facing back. Used the extension that's already fitted through the vehicle and then soldered on with our connections at the front and at the back, and then come and have a look, see what it looks like in the front. Okay, right, so we're in the vehicle now and we are using the customer's already fitted clip-on 7-inch mirror monitor. They say it's a mirror monitor. It's not really used as a rear view mirror, it's just in the shape of a mirror, and it goes in the same position as a rear view monitor would go. So we are using the customer's supplied equipment. We have just supplied and fitted our own new dual lens white camera, motorhome camera. So if I put the ignition on like so, the default view, as you can see now, is AV1, and that shows the main view of what's going on behind. So if this customer was driving on the dual carriageway here or abroad, you can see quite far back and give you plenty of time for overtake maneuvers and other stuff like that. Now ordinarily, when this van was set up before, this was set up so that he could press video 2, and when he pressed the video mode, that would then scroll down and show the bike rack for him to be able to reverse. So if I then press video 1 again, if I pop it into reverse gear, we've now linked it up so that if I pop it into reverse, that will automatically switch over to show the rear image. Now admittedly, this image would be much better if it was using one of our new monitors, because this monitor is a few years old and the quality has got better. But why waste money if there's something already in and working? Which it is. So this is a dual lens motorhome camera in white, hooked up to the extension that's routed all the way through the vehicle, and utilising his 7-inch rear mirror monitor that is stuck already on the windscreen. That's just to keep the costs down for this particular owner, and that was the most important thing here. But it arrived with nothing, and we've now given him back what he had before water ingress or age made it fail. So if you've got a vehicle like this, because this is a really popular or common problem, is motorhomes that are coach built with reversing cameras or rear cameras that have failed, get in touch with us. This is what we do, and you can get a quote, you can send over some pictures, we can give you a better idea of what we need to do and to get you back on the road and safe again. So don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Keep watching. The website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk, and again, thanks for watching.